Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable sticky keys on your Mac. Sticky keys is an accessibility feature which allows you to perform keyboard shortcuts without pressing buttons simultaneously. You can just click, for example, when I want to do a shortcut Command Shift 5, I can click on Command first, then Shift, then 5. So I don't need to click on them at once. And you can enable or disable that feature by clicking on the Apple logo in top left corner, then System Settings, then go to Accessibility and go to Keyboard. Then you can disable or enable sticky keys. You can also click on the eye icon here to adjust its settings, and if you want to enable and disable sticky keys often, then you can just enable the option, press the Shift key 5 times to toggle sticky keys and click on OK, and then you'll be able to quickly turn it on or off whenever you need it by clicking on either left or right Shift 5 times. Like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.